Hello guys, today I will do a comparison video of Vivo Iqoo Neo 6 versus Nothing Phone 1. So let's get start the video. Start with dimension. Height. Iqoo Neo 6 has 163 mm height and Nothing Phone 1 has 159.9 mm height. Width. Iqoo Neo 6 has 76.2 mm width and Nothing Phone 1 has 75.6 mm width. Thickness. Iqoo Neo 6 has 8.5 mm thickness and Nothing Phone 1 has 7.5 mm thickness. Weight. Iqoo Neo 6 has 190 gram weight or Nothing Phone 1 has 179 gram weight. Let's talk about display in detail. Start with a screen size. Iqoo Neo 6 has 6.62 inches a screen size and Nothing Phone 1 has 6.43 inches a screen size. Resolution. Iqoo Neo 6 has 1080p resolution and Nothing Phone 1 has also a 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. Iqoo Neo 6 has 20:9 aspect ratio and Nothing Phone 1 has also 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. Iqoo Neo 6 has 398 ppi pixel density and Nothing Phone 1 has 411 ppi pixel density. Display type. Iqoo Neo 6 has AMOLED display and Nothing Phone 1 has also an AMOLED display. Protection. Iqoo Neo 6 has Corning Gorilla Glass protection and Nothing Phone 1 has also Gorilla Glass protection. A screen to body ratio. Iqoo Neo 6 has 85.2% screen to body ratio and Nothing Phone 1 has 86.3% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera in detail. Start with Vivo Iqoo Neo 6. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide of 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk about Nothing Phone 1 camera. It's also have a dual camera support and its primary camera have 12 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide also 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording features. Iqoo Neo 6 can record 4K video at 30 fps and Nothing Phone 1 in also 4K video at 30 fps. Camera selfie. Iqoo Neo 6 has 16 megapixel selfie camera and Nothing Phone 1 has also a 12 megapixel selfie camera aperture 2.2. Let's talk about the phone hardware. Start with Iqoo Neo 6. It's have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor and Nothing Phone 1 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 generation first processor. CPU. Iqoo Neo 6 has octa-core 3.2 GHz and Nothing Phone 1 has octa-core 2.4 GHz. Hardware. GPU. Iqoo Neo 6 has Adreno 650 and Nothing Phone 1 has Adreno 662. RAM. Iqoo Neo 6 has 8GB 12GB of RAM variant and Nothing Phone 1 has 6GB of RAM variant. Internal memory. Iqoo Neo 6 has 128 to 56GB internal storage and Nothing Phone 1 has 64 128GB internal storage. Hardware. Card slot. Iqoo Neo 6 doesn't support any expandable card slot and Nothing Phone 1 is also doesn't support any card slot. Battery. Iqoo Neo 6 has 4700 mAh battery and Nothing Phone 1 has 4500 mAh battery. Fast charging. Iqoo Neo 6 has 80 watt fast charger and Nothing Phone 1 has only 45 watt fast charger. Operating system. Iqoo Neo 6 has Android 12 FunTouch 12 and Nothing Phone 1 has Android 12 Nothing UI 1.0. Let's talk both the phone connectivity. Start with Iqoo Neo 6. It's have a under display fingerprint. It support 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or 120Hz high refresh rate. Let's talk Nothing Phone 1 connectivity. It's also have a under display fingerprint. It support 5G network, NFC, 120Hz high refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's talk about the phone price. Iqoo Neo 6 come around $29,999 of $384 of 6GB RAM variant and Nothing Phone 1 come around $28,000 of $358 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Iqoo Neo 6 versus Nothing Phone 1. Design wise both the phone are same. Camera wise there is a better camera on Iqoo Neo 6. Hardware wise there is a Nothing Phone 1 hardware is a better hardware. Connectivity wise both are same. Charging wise there is a better charger of 80 watt fast charger of Iqoo Neo 6. So result are on your screen, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.